Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine, and in this video we are going to discuss government initiatives for craft, textile and industrial development. This video is going to be really crucial because a lot of major competitive exams ask questions about government initiatives taken up for various purposes, so you should know it in advance. First is the Craft Village initiative. Under this initiative, the government has been linking major tourist destinations with the handicraft cluster and infrastructure support as a part of linking textile with tourism initiative. Under this, 8 craft villages have already been set up for overall development of villages, and the village craft promotion and tourism are being taken forward. The significance of this is that the craft villages will promote handicraft as workable and money-making livelihood option for artisans in cluster and also safeguard rich artisanal heritage of India. Under this, around 1,000 artisans will be benefited, and the program will increase inflow of tourism across these craft villages. Coming to the next, that is National Bioenergy Program. The National Bioenergy Program aims to develop and promote bioenergy usage and create an infrastructure-friendly ecosystem based on a circular economy. The bioenergy is derived from once living organic materials like biomass that are used for producing transportation fuels, heat, electricity, and other such products. Now, coming to its significance, it is based on the concept of circular economy, where the waste generated by one industry becomes the material for others, thus reflects the scientific utilization of resources for maximum benefits, and its robust implementation would lead to generation of energy from waste and thus pave way for fuller utilization of resources for the country. So it's a really beneficial scheme. Next is Indian Footwear and Leather Development Program. Under this program, it's a central sector scheme and aims to develop the infrastructure for the leather industry, address environmental concerns specific to the leather industry, and facilitate additional investment, employment generation, and increase in production. The significance of this is that the leather industry in India accounts for about 13% of world's leather production of hide, skins, and handles robust annual production of about 3 billion square feet of leather. So the leather industry is an employment intensive industry providing jobs to about 4 million people, mostly the weaker sections of the society. So the industry has high export earnings and is among the top 10 foreign exchange earners of the country. So it's going to increase both the employment as well as the economy. Next is PM Mega Integrated Textile Region and Apparel, that is PM Mitra scheme. Under this, the scheme is inspired by the 5F vision, that is farm to fiber to factory to fashion to foreign, and it aspires to fulfill the vision of building Atmanirbhar Bharat and to position India strongly on the global textile map. PM Mitra Parks will offer an opportunity to create integrated textile value chain right from spinning, weaving, dyeing and printing to garment manufacturing at one location. This chain at one location will reduce logistic costs of the industry. Coming to its significance, so these parks are really crucial for attracting FDI, that is foreign direct investment, and each Mitra Park is expected to directly generate 1 lakh jobs and indirectly further 2 lakh jobs. So it would really generate employment, and it will also reduce logistic costs and strengthen the value chain of textile industry to make it globally competitive. The parks will also attract cutting-edge technology and boost local and foreign investment in the textile sector. Now, I would also like to recommend a course that is being conducted by Creative Edge by Top Rankers India. It is a Master in Fashion Management 15 days masterclass. So if any one of you is interested in pursuing Master in Fashion Management, this would be a really beneficial masterclass for all of you. The course starts on 19 December 2022 and you will get preparation for the MFM exam, live classes, mock tests as well as additional study material. You will also get access to the recorded lectures. You can enroll in this masterclass right now. The link would be in the description box below. And also the price of this masterclass is 2499. You can also avail an additional discount if you apply my coupon code GB10. Check out the link in the description box below, and let's get back to our video now. Now coming to the last government initiative, that is the National Logistics Policy. This policy was launched aiming to achieve quick last mile delivery in all the transportation related challenges. It focuses on key areas such as process, re-engineering, digitization and multimodal transport. It is a crucial move as high logistic costs impact competitiveness of domestic goods in the international market, and the need for this logistic policy was felt since the logistic cost in India is very high as compared to other developed economies. Now, coming to the significance of this policy, the country spends about 13 to 14% of its GDP on logistical costs, while countries like Japan and Germany, which are renowned for their highly developed infrastructure and systems, spend about 8 to 9% of their GDP on logistics. So the Ministry of Commerce and Industry stated that more than 22 million people in India depend on logistics industry for their livelihood, and improving this sector will enable a 10% reduction in indirect logistic costs, which will result in an increase of 5 to 8% in exports. That's it for this video. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel. Press the bell icon so that you never miss any notification from our channel, and stay tuned for the next video. Bye bye.